Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back. I have done it again. I have another challenge for our staff challenge, but this time it's my mom. She happened to be here the day we were filming the challenges and we talked her into trying. So I've given her pretty much what I gave Amber and Shannon because I think mom would be able to do that. Now listen, mom I don't know that she's ever made a complete card by herself start to finish, so I don't know what this is going to look like, but it should be fun. If you've missed the other videos, be sure to check out the playlist in the description below. It'll be super fun to watch. And without further ado, here she goes.
All right, Miss Edna, you got 10 seconds to look.
Okay.
And 10 minutes to do it.
10 to look, 10 to do it.
Yes.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! There's no paper.
It's underneath it.
Oh!
Here,
what is
this? Your 10 seconds is up.
Oh, so what do I do now?
You make the card.
Okay. Here we go. This will be easy. What is it? That's a card.
That is a card.
All right.
I like it.
What's this for?
You can cut them out and put them on your card.
There's no scissors.
You have to use the cutting board.
Oh, Lordy.
Hey, you got 9 minutes left. You're fine. You got 9 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Okay, so
You got time.
I don't know how to use this thing. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. I think Maymay showed me. Yeah. All right, I put...
And you got a little arm up top. You can pull it out too.
Huh?
On the side.
Oh.
Right, it's on that side.
On this side. Oh, right here?
There you go.
Oh, this does... Okay.
You can measure it out if you need to.
All right, so look at this.
Mm-hmm. You already got your card base.
Is that what's the card base? I mean...
It can be. This is your card, Miss
Okay.
Edna.
Okay. Well, look at this, because I can come up with something. Oh, look at the hearts. Those are cute. Do I have to use everything?
No, ma'am, you don't. You
Okay.
can if you can fit it, but
Oh, these are stickers.
They are stickers.
Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. Now if I know how to... All right, I want to cut that, and I think Maymay showed me how to
Bring
do
this over in the screen a little bit to your left.
Oh, what do you mean, this?
Yes. All right, that's good. Right there.
Okay, and now, let me see if I can do... Oh, wait, I don't want to do that. That'll cut up all the paper. I need to do it this way. It won't fit. Doesn't this come off?
You have to cut it off.
Oh.
Miss Edna, I just ripped mine to shreds to get it fit in there. I didn't know nothing about that until
Oh,
I
you
saw
did?
somebody.
Well, I'm going to try this. Oh, I got to push it down. Maymay said push it down. I'm going to cut this thing off.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, look, that's got stuff on it. And then I'm going to, the way you have to do this so you won't destroy everything is to do it like this, I assume.
That's 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, I got plenty of time. Then I'll do it like this. I'm trying to get one piece out of here, and I'm having to do this to get one piece.
Hey, but you got them other pieces if you need them too.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get this one. Those are cute, but trying to get this one. I might use 2 pieces. Okay. Push it. All right, that is cute. That'll be cute. That'll be cute. That'll be cute. Okay, now, I have glue.
Mm-hmm.
All right. This will be... Wait a minute. Can I move this now?
You can.
All right, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this. And I want this. So, I'm going to put... Stickers are good. Now, I know that Maymay says these...
You got 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
I better not waste my time. You and me. You and me. You and me. You and me. Is this all together? Well, I have to cut it apart. You and me. I ain't got no scissors. Oh, messed up a little bit.
No scissors. Use fingers. You and me. Wrap that around. This is a big old card. I didn't know you're supposed to,
Got 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh yeah. I'm good. Why, this ain't nothing. This is pretty easy. Come on down. Oh, look, I got them stuck wrong. All right, but I still, well, let's drip a little more. Lord, I'm messing up the, I don't want to mess up the stuff. They might can use the rest. Let's have these come down a little more because you can never have too many pearls or diamonds or rubies.
Really, any kind of jewel.
Any kind of jewel. That's right. All right, you and me, crazy in love. Now watch this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. All right, take. That is really cute. I had one, but I had to give it to my granddaughter Lydia because she thought it was so cute. So what do? You give it to your grandkids.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Oh wait, this is too big. All right, I'll do it like this. It's too big. It's too big.
No problem. Here.
Put it in this, huh?
Now you got glue on the other side of that now, remember.
All right, let me do it like this. Oh, I'm messing up now. I thought I was going to kind of do good.
You're fine, you're fine.
That worked? Almost. Almost. Get a little more off. There we go. That's all. Oh, it's stuck. Amy's going to come in here and it's going to all be stuck. All right. I love you. And then I wanted this on here. Like this. I need to see that one more time.
All right.
I gotta cut this. Oh, it's sticky now, huh? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make it sticky. But I did. Everything's sticky to it. Okay. Glue. Maymay says I use way too much glitter glue. Alright, and now all I need to do is put something on this side.
You got 3 minutes left.
3 minutes. What could I put on there? This is dang cute. This is dang cute. The best is yet to come. You are my heart. Now this isn't gonna close good. And you know why? What's that stamp? That's from Ruth. I gotta use this. I don't know how to do stamps good.
Neither did I.
All right, so I'm gonna do this.
Look at that. That's
Didn't
pretty
work
good.
real good, but
That's all right.
it's the best I can do. And I need one more little something over here to fill it up. This is a Valentine. How much time do I have?
You got 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Ooh. All right. Well, let me put something. Oh, I want to put something that's kind of cute and I don't want that. Just to make it, you know, really look. I like a lot of stuff on it.
Me too.
If I'm gonna make this card, I'm gonna put stuff on it. Oh,
You got 1 minute left.
you know what you're probably saying? This is empty. You're right. I wish I could use that little green
Hey,
thing.
when in doubt, put more stickers. That's my
what-
motto.
They gave me good stuff, though. Yeah. She's going to come in here and they're all going to be gone.
You got 30 seconds left, Miss Edna.
30 seconds. All right, I'll do this. Till you say stop.
You just gonna keep putting them on.
Well, they're here.
You got 15.
All right, I'm done.
Done?
Look at your card. It's really good. Hold it down here. Look how good. You're the only one who used the whole sheet of cards.
Yes.
I didn't.
She said,
I don't know how to make them.
That's okay. You don't know how. That's a great card. Now this is the card you should give Dad for what's coming up next.
Oh, let's see.
Anniversary.
Anniversary.
In October, right?
And look what that says. I chose you and I'll choose you over and
Oh, you
over and
made
over.
his
Without a
anniversary
pause, without a
card.
doubt. In a heartbeat, I'll keep choosing. And then had to put a Bible verse on
Okay, I
there.
know. I gave you that one on purpose. I thought you'd like it. You like the heart pearls?
Yeah, I love it. Look at them.
I see that.
Can I show Lydia?
It is, yes, you can, and it's best that you don't mail this one.
Oh.
lot of little heart pearls in there would be pretty thick in the mail.
Well, I'm not. I'm going to hand it to
You
him.
need to give this to Dad. I think it's great. So how was it?
Oh, I did pretty good, I think.
I think you did too. Lay it down here so everybody can see it. I think Brenda
I
walked
think
in
it's
too.
awesome.
I think it's great. I think you did a really
I
good job.
love it.
Where's those pearls?
I walked in just in time
Did
to
you take
hear.
them away from
They're right
me?
there. I walked
Did you
in.
have time to do two so I could get baking?
Oh.
Listen though, I walked in just in time to hear Mom say, "Look, I'm gonna keep adding these to you 20 times."
I did. I
Hearts.
just- Look, I put them everywhere.
But look,
She's
I
like
said she made Dad's anniversary card. It's cute.
That is
You and me, crazy in love.
Put it in the screen. You keep lifting it up for us. Hold it in the screen. There you
You
go.
and
love
me,
it.
crazy in love. It's a love thing if you didn't know.
I didn't get that.
I was confused.
The best is yet to come. That's a good anniversary thing.
I love it. You did good.
You're my heart, cute kiss. Look, and I love this. I thought that was really cute.
I love the Bible verse too.
Yes, I had to put the Bible verse.
I think it's great. I
He's
think
a
you did a
preacher.
good job. He's a preacher.
He's a
You need a
preacher.
Bible verse.
Oh, I didn't do anything to the back.
Well, you could have, but you were sticking hearts.
Yeah.
Yep. You could write Hallmark.
You could write not
I could
Hallmark.
write.
not
I could write
Hallmark.
Edna.
You probably
Edna
want to
Mark.
write not Hallmark,
Yeah.
so he'll know.
How
that
about
it's
I
not.
do Edna
It's
Mark?
right.
That's the only way he'll know.
Edna Mark.
Do you hear me? The only way he'll know is if you write not Hallmark on the back. He'll never think it's not Hallmark.
You won't believe this.
You
but
won't.
This is not from Hallmark.
All right, guys,
Oh, wait.
she did it. Oh, she's
love
got to
it.
crease it. She's got to crease it.
Yeah, I don't. Ooh, you can't. There's bubbles in there.
Well, you got hearts in there. Can you believe we got her to do a card challenge
I like it. It's
you have
better
fun?
than the card I made it.
at Craftopolis?
Craftiopolis.
At Craftiopolis.
Whatever.
Welcome to Mom.
It was the best. Look, I didn't see. It needs to be even.
No, it doesn't.
And I didn't
Even
do
is
even.
store bought. We don't do store bought. We don't do perfect, Mom.
I do.
We don't. So if you do, you came to the wrong place.
I think it looks perfect.
It does look perfect.
I'm thrilled with it.
Well, very good, Mom. We're going to wrap it up at this. Now, we will put Mom's in with the poll so you can vote on it. And maybe she'll get the most votes. You can't win the money. You nor Vince can win
Well,
the
then
money.
you're not using
The
my
second
card.
place person gets to win the money. So the first loser will get
Can
the
I
money. if
see
you
what
win.
I'm up against?
After this, you can. You couldn't until you had filmed yours, but now you can see them. So, all right, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Mom, put your hands in the screen and say goodbye. Thank you, guys. Bye.